The rise of artificial intelligence has many people wondering about the future of their jobs, especially in tech. Will robots take over? While AI's capabilities are expanding rapidly, it's crucial to understand that not all tech jobs are created equal. In fact, many roles require uniquely human skills that AI simply cannot replicate, ensuring a secure and thriving career path for years to come. AI excels at repetitive, data-driven tasks, performing them with incredible speed and accuracy. However, it struggles significantly with creativity, empathy, complex unstructured problem-solving, and nuanced human interaction. These are the core competencies that will define the AI-proof jobs of tomorrow, demanding critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and innovative strategic vision from human professionals. As AI tools become more sophisticated, the need for skilled individuals to guide them grows exponentially. Prompt engineers and AI trainers are crucial for translating human intent into effective AI commands, refining models, and ensuring outputs align with desired goals. This role requires a unique blend of technical understanding, linguistic precision, and creative problem-solving, constantly adapting to new AI advancements. With AI integrating into every aspect of our digital lives, the battle for cybersecurity becomes more critical than ever. While AI can automate threat detection, human cybersecurity specialists are indispensable for anticipating novel attack vectors, devising complex defense strategies, and responding to sophisticated breaches. Their ingenuity and adaptability are key to protecting our digital infrastructure from evolving threats. Creating intuitive, enjoyable, and accessible user experiences is fundamentally human-centric. UX/UI designers and product managers delve deep into human psychology, understanding user needs, behaviors, and pain points to craft truly impactful products. AI can assist with data analysis, but the empathy, creative vision, and strategic decision-making required to shape user journeys remain firmly in human hands. As AI's influence expands, so does the imperative for ethical oversight and responsible development. AI ethicists, policymakers, and legal experts are vital for navigating the complex moral, social, and legal implications of artificial intelligence. They ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and aligned with human values, a role demanding profound critical thinking, empathy, and a strong moral compass. Beyond specific roles, any position demanding truly novel problem-solving, interdisciplinary research, or conceptual breakthroughs will remain human-dominated. AI can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns, but the ability to formulate new questions, connect disparate ideas, and innovate solutions to previously undefined challenges requires human intuition, creativity, and abstract reasoning, the ultimate AI-proof skill.